Meaning of I-9 form.
I-9 form.
I-9 form.
I-9 form.
I-9 form. The I-9 form is a document used by employers in the United States to verify the identity and employment eligibility of their employees. The form requires an employee to present acceptable documents that prove their identity and work authorization, such as a passport or driver's license, social security card, or birth certificate. Employers are required by law to complete and maintain an I-9 form for each employee they hire. Failure to properly complete and retain I-9 forms can result in penalties, fines, and even criminal charges for employers.